Hello mga ma'am, hello mga sir, good morning sa inyong lahat dyan. So early installation tayo ngayon, home service. Nandito ako ngayon sa QC near LTO. Home service to guys. Mag-install ako ng solid tire honeycomb dito sa Xiaomi electric scooter na puti version, non-pro, yeah. And harap likod, installan natin ang solid tire. Original niya is naka-interior. So full skid kasi ako ngayon guys, so medyo hectic yung schedules, sunod-sunod. So tara, paspasan natin. Alright, all done. Fitted na. Dalawang solid honeycomb tire. Harap likod, manual installation. So, home service to guys dito sa QC. Kay Sir Dominic Zavala. Sir, thank you so much for availing my service. And guys, kung sino man gustong magpa-home service sa inyo, for tires, suspensions, PM lang. Thank you so much.